Look at my buggy visor. So many bugs. Right, get leg over here. Whew. What?
Oh, you look.
I was just going. Yeah, I was trying to get the f***ing leg over the bike.
Rumors spreading round. Night takes its time.
Hello. I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. Look at that view! I'm just going to keep saying it. Wales is epic. This is incredible. The scenery. Oh my god. Lord of the Rings kind of shit, you know? Yeah, I don't. What the f is going on here?
That's one way.
That's one way. Should we pop down here? We're lost again.
Like quite a cool little bar.
It does, yeah. It's just where the f can we park? Well, I suppose we can park where those other bikes parked.
Drive in.
So
we are here.
Yeah.
Bring us here.
Maybe we should find somewhere to stay here. Do they not have 3G in this country? Seriously? It's ridiculous. Okay, well, do you have the postcode for that place? I think I've got it here. Nope, I don't have it.
SA13. Come on. SA13 2 Papa. 51 minutes.
Right, welcome back. We've just stopped on the A470 at an epic little rest stop. You can see it's biker country. There's a food van specifically for bikers. So I'll switch the camera back on. I've not got much life of it left. We'll see how long it lasts. But I thought this road is too good to miss. I mean, look at this. It's amazing. Absolutely bloody brilliant. Anyway, alright. Finished faffing now, let's get on with it. Okay. So this is the update of the day. That's the mess we've made. And this is our hotel room. Hello. Hi. And we're in Wales. Nice, huh? Can you see the bikes? No. So that's the end of mini tour day 1. And we're off to the pub. We'll see you tomorrow.
About to check outside the game. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home.
This is what we've been reduced to. Walking to get beer. Okay, update on our walk to the pub. We're now crossing into another county. Never have I gone to such lengths for beer.